Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a body composition scale that a company called RunStar sent over to me. This is the box that it comes in. Once you open it up, it's going to come with a little user manual. Very, very simple to set up and operate. So then you're basically going to get the scale, and here it is. Now, to give you an idea of the size, this is approximately about 12 inches wide. It's about 13.5 inches long, and it's about 1.5 inches in height. Now, as you can see, it's going to have these 4 little metal contacts, and then it has like a little nice looking glass surface. It looks really nice, so if you have it in your bathroom or your office or wherever, it's going to look really nice. And then it has this bar along at the top. And so what is this doing? It is measuring 28 different body composition points. It's going to give you things like your BMI. It's going to give you your weight, your body age, your muscle mass, your bone mass, your BMR, a ton of various different stats. Now on this little bar at the top, you just simply pull that, and once again, you're going to see there's metal contacts on the back and on the bottom. And so you're just going to hold on to that while stepping on the scale, and then it will start doing the readings. It's going to, once again, it will tell you your weight. Right here on the bar, it's going to tell you your weight. It's going to tell you your muscle percentage and your body fat percentage. All this is easily tracked via the app. You don't have to have the app open. It'll go ahead, you can utilize this and then connect to the app later. And it'll basically record all those stats for you. Within the app, it also does have athlete mode. So if you are a professional athlete and you're wanting more fine-tuned stats, it can do that for you. It also does have baby mode. So if you do have a baby and you want to measure, it'll basically turn off some of those extra settings. It'll be able to give you the weight of just baby when you're holding it. So it does have extra features like that. It also will sync to through the app through your smart devices. So if you do like to use your Apple Fitness or your Apple Health or your Google Fitness or your Fitbit, it will sync to those apps if you just have to set those up through the apps. Now the app also gives you all the charts and everything, so you can track your status on basically whatever your goals are and see how you're achieving them, which is a really nice thing. Now, finally, another big thing with this scale is it does support a ton of profiles. First off, it's unlimited. Anybody that has an app it has their own account, can set it up an unlimited amount of accounts. But if you do have an app, within that single app, you can set up multiple profiles, up to 24 profiles. So you can get everybody in your family, and it's going to be an easy breeze. But basically, if you are, and it all runs on basically 4 AAA batteries on the back that are easy to change. They last a nice long time. So if you are in the market for a nice high-end scale, it's going to give you a ton of stats on your weight journey and your progress, your fitness journey. I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.